Principal Medical Officer of Institutions Dr. Maryam Abdool-Richards urged the public to continue to be vigilant and to exercise personal responsibility to keep themselves and the population safe.
Despite our low figures and our low hospital occupancy rates, we must continue to exercise COVID-19 mitigation measures. I am appealing on behalf of the government and the Ministry of Health for members of the population to continue the appropriate wearing of face masks, hand washing, and sanitization of surfaces.
And with the partial reopening of schools, Technical Director of the Epidemiology Division, Dr. Avery Hines, is encouraging parents and students to play their part in controlling the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Dr. Hines explained that the reopening of schools creates a higher level of risk of exposure to persons who weren't previously exposed and are now moving around within the school environment.
The onus of responsibility lies partially with you yourself in maintaining your own hygiene precautions, in ensuring that while you're at school you keep your mask on, in ensuring that when the breaks come there isn't this generalized mingling, that we keep the mask on except when we're eating, that we eat in some sort of quote-unquote isolation so that you can take the mask off without exposing other people.
He's reminding persons who have come into contact with someone who is infected and is in home quarantine to stay at home.
We would expect that the children from those schools would not present themselves to school because they would be in quarantine while the individuals are in isolation. Anybody with any sort of viral symptoms at this point in time, whether it's fever, stuffy nose, loss of sense of smell, any of those symptoms would be an indication not to present yourself to school.
Dr. Abdool-Richards also updated on the repatriation of citizens. She said 140 TNT nationals are expected to arrive from New York on February 10th, and more are expected thereafter from Barbados and Miami in the same week. Mahalia Joseph-Wharton, TTT News.